friends, good day my guys, good day everyone. Here I'm about to show you guys how you can be able to download your Alipay account and register too. So now you just head in. If you're an Android user, you head into your Google Play Store. You click on the search button, which is you can just search for Alipay, but I'll be sharing you the links in order to make you easily download them easily. So you understand, you log in, when you have seen it, you just click on to install. So with the time it is installing, you'll be able to know the next things to do. But when it has finally installed, I'll show you the procedures and the process you can be able to use and register for it freely. Because Alipay is just like an paying website for you in order to make your payment successful. Because at times when you say you want to use your MasterCard, China currency doesn't accept using Naira card to pay for things online with their account, with their currency. China deals with yuan, and you have to make that payment with yuan with their customers and the suppliers too. Because this is just like, it's going to help you. It's going to make them believe that you are also part of them. Because most of them believe that yes, you claim you are outsider, but you stay in China in order to communicate with them and also buy things from them, because that is just like a local market. 1688 is just like their local market, which they only sell to their customers, they only sell to their clients alone, they only sell to their, how will I put it, like their people's domestic people around them. That's why they believe they are selling at the cheaper price for them to quickly sell off and do more and the rest of them. So this is just an help in order to Alipay is just like a tool you are going to use in order to make your payment successful. Like when you register in with your number, your ID. Most of the time, if you're not type that doesn't have your passport, like your international ID card, you can use your national ID card, NIN, in order to register successfully. I'll show you the way I did mine and everything goes off like that. So let me quickly fast forward the download in order to show the procedures on how you can be able to download yours freely and successfully and register for it too. So when the thing has finally installed, you check in your number to be sure if it's your country's code address. So Nigeria is 234, and if you are from any other country like Ghana or any African countries like that, you only see your own code here. So you just pick from here, you just click that and pick from anywhere you are. Since I'm from Nigeria, I'll leave mine in Nigeria and input my numbers like 081 42 71 75 85. Mind you, Nigerians, there's no need of adding 08 or your number is not from 080, all this stuff, since that 0 is already covering up for that 2 3 4. So after that, you just click on next. Now, since I'm having an account with them already, they are just going to request for me to log in. If I want to log in via SMS method, which they will send me an SMS code for me to log in, is also there. And since I can still remember my password, I can switch to login method by password. So I'll now input my password, which is login. Wow, what is it? Let me try again. Yes, that's already logged in. So I'm now in my account. So I'll show you how you can activate it also in order to make your account viable to make payments and the rest of them. So ID verification, since they'll be requesting that, I'll be uploading them with my NIN, the one I have. I've already recorded some and cameraed some on my phone. So they said they've sent me an SMS verification code. So a message you enter my phone, my SMS verification code will be sent in no time in order to verify that I'm the real person logging into this account. because this is like a payment stuff, and you understand how it's going to be logically strong, and in order to make them be sure for easy access of any other person. So the message has entered. So the thing is 9342 9342. So thing is now going. Wow, I'm already in my dashboard. You're already logged in. The next thing you do, you search for tourpass. I give you the search where you can search for that. Tourpass. Click on search. So this is just like the place that you'll be awarded their Chinese card to make payments, like where you debit your account. You like whenever you want to buy things, you credit that account in order for you to place your order. So when the thing loads, you see my tourpass account with a Chinese ID card, a Chinese card in order to make purchase and payment. So when it's logged in, when it is there, you see the next procedures. So I want to show you how the thing looks and the way you can be able to verify your account with your ID. So as I said earlier on, I said even if you have international passport, driving license, because this require, even if you don't have all those things, so far you have your NIN, which is the one you can easily have here in Nigeria. Your NIN card, you can be able to do the registration successfully, because that's just what they need. They just need an authentic ID for them to know that this is their client. And mind you, any registration you make registers for every three months. So I advise you, when you have done the registration, you can use that for the first 3 months. So after that, you still have to put in that same ID in order to be sure that you are still the same person. This is why these things are like this. So when the thing registers on, I'll show you the next things to do. So it's still loading. So after that, you see how I'm going to put in the card. So this is my tourpass. I'm now in my tourpass. So the transaction I made was remaining 3.60 yuan. So, and if I want to do top up, I won't be able to do it because it has already expired. Because you understand, I said after 3 months, thing has to be refreshed again. You have to refresh it by putting your ID to make them sure that you are still the same client using this app. So these are the transaction I did. The last one I did was 200 yuan. I used to get something, and this one too, the same thing. So you understand the way it goes. These are the successful payment I made, but this fail was due to the fact that I was using a card that most of these are MasterCard are not good. So I advise you have a MasterCard. Yes, a Nigerian MasterCard that can make payment easily. Like the one I use Wema card, which is the Alert Wema card. That is one I use in making my own. So I will now show you how you can do the registration. So far that it has expired, I will need to register again. So I want to reactivate this card. So my reactivation will be requiring most of this thing. So they asked me to take your ID for activation, take photos. So while I've done this capturing, I want you to take notes. Only because the reason I'm doing this thing is due to the fact that you understand the background and the rest is still showing in the picture. They want a clear view of the image alone. It doesn't mean your pictures or any other thing to show, like you understand, the NIN pictures to be showing doesn't require that. All they just need is your NIN number and your name shown on it. I don't mind the address and the rest. That's just what they are focusing on. So let me try this if it will be used. Let me try this and know whether it will be accepted, because if it doesn't, I'll still have to redo again until it's accepted. So so I'll finally capture the type of picture they want. They want a full one. So let me check to see the reactivation. I've been reactivated back. Now I can now easily use my Alipay freely without any issue. Though it's still loading, let it load. So my guys, that is how it is, and this is how you're going to activate your Alipay account. And mind, as I said, every three months, every 90 days, that's how it expires. And this is just for them to be sure that you're still the same person making use of this to make payment. You understand? So network is bad. Network is bad. Let me load it again. Network is bad. So my reactivation is now loading. So when it loads, I know I now have a full access to this account to make my purchase and payment and any other things I'll be needing to buy using yuan. Alipay is just like, you understand, like I hope you understand what I meant by payment method you can use to pay freely and easily. And most of the time, the advantage you get is you can also apply for refund. Like the money you paid for, maybe the thing you paid for, you doesn't worth it, you can apply for refund through Alipay. So Alipay will bring back your money. That is only if you and the suppliers has made an agreement. Maybe you chat the man up, chat the supplier up that whatever he bought for you is not worth it and the rest of them. So since he has already accepted for that, you can apply for a refund. Though I will tell you how you can apply for a refund in my next video. This is just a video in order to make you know how you can register and activate your Alipay account. So that is it. Let it load and I'll show you the platform, how it looks and the rest of them. So it's still loading. So after you have already activated your ID, you can see, let me click to my top house this time around. Though it was telling me not activated, but now I've already uploaded what they need from me. So you see my top house is now activated, and this is the card I'm being awarded with. So this is how you can be able to activate your Alipay account. Though it's a process that you just have to calmly sit and do. It's not what you do in a hurry. So this is how you can activate your Alipay account. So now it is, as I said, for 90 days. This is now it is validity to October 14th. Since I registered it here now in July till October 14th, before it can still expire and I'll have to register again. So my guys, this is how it is, how you can be able to do it. So if you want to top up to it, like if you want to buy something, you click on this top up and use your Nigerian bank card to pay into this account. This is just like a bank that is there for you to pay in any amount. So when you have paid it in, you can easily make any payment you want to make with 1688. So this is how it goes. As I click on the top up, you put in your bank details. Like me, I already have a bank card that I'm using. This is my bank card I'm using. So whatever I want to top up, I can put, like, if whatever I'm buying is 200 yuan, I can put up like 200 yuan. At least I would have known the conversion rates by then. Don't worry, I'll give you a video on how you can be able to do the conversion rate easily, and you know how much they'll be charging you for each payment you make. So this is it. You just click on top up, thing will load into your dashboard. Nice. Later I will still do more videos on that. So thank you for everything, guys. Now I've showed you how you can be able to activate your Alipay account successfully. It's very easy. That is, if you have a patient mind, it's very easy. And though using this is just like a very reliable source that you can also request for refund at any time. So this is what I'm saying. Thank you. Welcome to my channel, and please don't, if you know you have gotten some value in this video training, just click on the like button to share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.